Hello all, I'm Josh Legard here again from KickoffLabs.com, the audience growth platform. There's a lot of ways that we can help you grow your audience online, one of which, if you're launching something new, is a waitlist. Another way is a competition. And in this case, what I'm about to show you today in our latest review is one that combines the two. So this brand is running both a waitlist combined with a competition. So two of my favorite things running at the same time. Let's check it out. So the brand is sipped.com. And again, you can go to sipped with two P's.com, and they are your personal sommelier. You can download Sipped to search, buy, and discover personal wine recommendations that you'll love to match your taste. They've got links to the App Store here. But something you'll notice in the little corner down here is they are also running a promotion to win a year supply of wine. And why not? Because that sounds awesome. So this is a contest box from Kickoff Labs. And that box pops up in the corner. It would pop up the first time I came to the page. It did actually pop up for me. I came back to the page to do this review, so I had to open it this time. But we enabled to put something like this where it's enter to win a free 1-year membership to the Sipped Wine Club. They just really simply put a photo of the wine club, and their personalized wine subscription is coming soon. Sign up for a chance to win a free 1-year membership, and then they've got some chances to win here. And what I like about this campaign is they take advantage of embedding it onto their site. So they've got a site here. They've got the contest box embedded onto their site, but they can also promote this campaign separately. So one of the things that make it's easy to do with Kickoff Labs is setting up a dedicated landing page. So now I'm on a separate landing page that they also set up for this same giveaway that was in that running in that box, running as a landing page. So you can see we share some characteristics here. So the form is just as simple: first name, email, enter to win. And you've got the same earn more chances to win boxes here. So these campaign-wide settings enable you to run it in multiple modes. So you can have the pop-up on your site and the dedicated page. Really cool. So the page can provide a little bit more information. So one of the reasons you might run a contest in both ways is if you want to promote the contest directly, you also want to use that promotion as a chance to talk about your service. So this gives them a chance to talk about how their service and the wine recommendation works in general. So they talk about taking a quiz, viewing your matches, getting personalized boxes. They've got some great images here that work with the page. And so basically they can advertise this promotion, get people to enter the contest, and they've got another form down here at the bottom. Get people to enter the contest, and then once people have entered, whether they win or not, you've educated some people about the competition. You potentially can retarget them with other Facebook ads. It's just a great strategy. I happen to be a wine fan myself, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the contest because who doesn't want to win a year's supply of wine? And so let's go enter this competition. Of course, I'm not going to allow myself to win because I do run KickoffLabs.com. It would be unfair and people would think that I was cheating. Anyway, they have a dedicated status page. It thanks you for entering. Again, reminds you of these same campaign-wide things you can do to download their app, to tell some friends, or earn more entries. And then you don't have to wait to explore. You can download their app now. They're just giving them, again, another chance to educate customers, another touch point. So you've created in this giveaway an engagement opportunity and a touch point where you can teach them more about your product. And like I said, whether or not somebody wins, a little bit less relevant, but you're educating all the people that are coming to the giveaway because they're excited about potentially winning the wine a bit more about your product. And so you're just creating these educational opportunities for your customers, as well as doing a fun giveaway, growing your audience with that giveaway. Again, look forward to seeing you guys next time in our next contest review.